Good morning. I just woke up and I've got little Abigail here to bring me into the morning. They've got 10 dogs here. I love dogs. I just woke up with this crazy dream with one of my old friends from high school, two of my old friends from high school, and my ex-girlfriend. It was really deep. And I think the message I take away from it is forgiveness. We gotta forgive. Always. Forgive people, forgive the past, forgive the future. Forgive. And that's how I'm gonna start my day. Old dog's big and small. Look at this one. Out of all the dogs, I'd say this one's the most loved. Yeah, definitely the fattest. You're a big girl. So with my new friend Christian, who I stayed with last night, we've come to a bike meet this morning on the beach, which is cool. So a lot of different bikers coming together to meet up and show off, I guess. Let's have a look. Now this beast here, this is kind of the same as mine, but it's the Tenere, which is the adventure bike, which is the one I probably should have gotten because this is the one that takes you longer distances, has a larger tank, it's a bit more upright and comfortable for the longer trip. It's a beautiful machine. Oh, and this is 1200, mine's 660, so a bit bigger, a bit more powerful, but heavier. That's why I got the 660, because it's more maneuverable and I'm going to be hitting some pretty crazy terrain through Africa, so yeah, I went for that option. Sure. Rah. Look at that bad boy. Coming to these bike meets, you see all sorts of different designs and patterns. Check that out. It's a motorbike with NOS. Imagine. This one here is the envy of a lot of road riders. It's a beautiful machine. BMW RR1000. Sure. Special.
My friend Ramona, there's it. Come, let me shake you too.
This will be the biggest bike here, 1400.
That's the fastest one.
Yeah.
This is our fastest bike. This is our road captain.
Yeah.
He tells us how to ride. Yeah, this is his bike. That's like really quick and really fast move. But this thing is the also fastest thing on the road. Yeah. There's nothing I can tell him. He's got too
check
fast
that.
move.
Nothing can beat it.
No. Yeah, he's from Australia.
Now it's time for breakfast. Hey, good, how are you? Oh, the staff are really friendly here. Oh, they're all coming in. Hey, dude. How's this? How's it? A biker's breakfast, you can't go wrong.
No eggs.
Alright.
Jabang aku.
No eggs. Don't do eggs. Breakfast done. Satisfied. In South Africa, it's legal to ride in the back of a ute, we call it, or a bucky, they say here, or a pickup truck, I guess you'd say in America. It's not legal to do this in Australia, that's for sure, or anywhere else in the world. No way, no, yeah. So that, yeah, here, they turn a blind eye. In fact, they wouldn't be able to not let it happen because so many people ride in the back of these things. There's so many people here who don't have cars, basically.
Yes, it's a poor area.
Yeah.
It's not like the people got choices, you know what I mean?
That's right.
Funny guy.
Freeze a bird! All right, so it's Darren here's birthday today. So we're going for a ride. The boys and girls are out. While we were riding, I hit 27,000 Ks on the clock, and 27 is my favorite number, so I'm happy with that. I was sitting there, you should have seen me, guys. I was like, as I'm riding. It was like the longest kilometer I've ever ridden, 27,000. It's stuck on 27 for a long time. And now we've stopped in the Valley of 1,000 Hills. There's some cool stuff to do here, like the puzzle place, where they've got loads of puzzles. Let's check it out.
She's almost all I got it, like, woo! It's the same shape.
How you doing there, Chris?
Petling.
He's got to make a T out of these shapes. Can you do it? Okay, I'm a little bit proud of myself. I couldn't film it because I had to use both my hands to do it, but I turned one of those puzzles into a T, the one that I showed you with Chris trying to do it, and I did it in under 15 minutes, which apparently only 1,000 people can do. Waha! Aha! I think I've earned bragger's rights for that. 1 in 1,000, did you hear? So we've come to Capsicum, an Indian restaurant where they do one of the famous Durban dishes. It's called a Bunny Chow, and it's basically an Indian curry in a hollowed out loaf of bread. I've not had it before, but everyone talks about it. I can't wait to try it. It's supposed to be good. And you recommended the boneless mutton.
Yeah, it's actually when you take a little rabbit, stick it into the bread, rip off its head, and then that's how you eat it. That's a bunny chow.
Bunny chow. Chow the bunny.
Yeah.
So the story behind this bunny chow is that during the apartheid government, where non-whites were segregated from all the whites, blacks and coloureds had to be kept in separate communities, whites weren't allowed to buy anything from non-whites. But the whites who were opposed to the whole scenario, they still wanted their Indian curry, right? So some clever Indian guy had a great idea where he hollowed out a loaf of bread, filled it with curry, and then would sell that. So it looked like these whites were just buying a loaf of bread. Hallelujah, the bunny chow was born, and it's been a staple part of a Durban menu ever since. And it's delicious. Here at Capsicum in the Britannia Hotel, the bunny chow was a winner. Quick trip to the beach! Yeah! Love the sight of ocean.
Just down the road, eh?
Yeah. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. Goes for ages too. Let's have a look at those rock pools. Are these artificial? These rock pools?
This one, yeah.
Yeah. That's cool though. life by the beach. I grew up by the beach actually. It was a little nipper, which is what Chris tells me they've got going on down here. Little nipper is the child surf life-saving training. Yeah, it's just a better life if you ask me, living by the beach.
Much better.
Right? Much better than being landlocked in a city. So yeah, get to the beach, yo. Thanks for bringing us to the beach, Chris.
Pleasure, my bro.
Yeah, it's nice down here. This is all the sugarcane plantation growing right next to the suburbs. This is bumpy.
Bonanga bad gogile gasle, no safety, no nothing there. No vehicle either. Gabonga bab. Ngani wami ufuna ukukhomba ukuhlala kanjani abantu abantu kuphela abantu wami.
Fully loaded and ready to go, and it's with a heavy heart that I say goodbye to these two. Chris, my bro, Jenny.
Cheers, cheers.
Thanks so much for having me, guys.
Pleasure.
It's been my pleasure.
It's been our pleasure.
Well, we all had a pleasure.
Did you have a pleasure?
No, it was okay.
Awesome.
Okay, my bro.
Yeah,
Have a
bro.
safe Friday.
Guys.
It is like really sucky now.
Monkeys. But I feel a bit silly. I was going up this hill when I saw the monkeys and I thought, oh, I'll turn around and get some video. So I turned around, but I was going too slow and I just went, ah! And my bike went down. And if there's one thing a motorcyclist hates the most, it's the bike going down. Luckily, it was so slow and silly that I don't believe I did any damage whatsoever. And it happens. Another thing that really got me, I couldn't pick it up. I couldn't pick it up on my own. Just the angle I was on and the weight of the bike, I couldn't do it. Luckily, someone came by to help me out. But since I'm here now, let's say hi to the monkeys. Look, oh, it's a baby. Can you see that? Let's see if I can get closer. Nah, they don't want me to. See the little baby? Cute. Funny thing about monkeys here is they've lost all fear of humans. I say the funny thing, but actually it's a worrying thing because then they get close and do damage and steal and all that. Anyway, first time the bike's gone down since I broke my arm. Let's hope it doesn't happen again.